is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to remove wrinkles from a photo in Photoshop. So I have this picture of myself making a wrinkled face, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of this little wrinkled area and any wrinkles really on the face. So on your toolbar, you're going to have right below the eyedropper tool, there's the spot healing brush tool, or the healing brush tool. And literally all you have to do is click this, find the spot that you don't want the wrinkles in, right there, and just draw right over it like this, and it gets rid of it immediately. And so you can do that to almost any wrinkle on the face you want. So I'm trying to make it look like I have no wrinkles at all, so I'm just going to get rid of these. And voila, wrinkles be gone. My name is Alex, and this is how you get rid of wrinkles in Photoshop. Thank you.